time
I always
frame.
feel like they're like a half an hour long. So I'm glad you said that because I was like,
no, like I've been recording for 2 minutes now.
From the Denovo Realty Studios in sunny Brevard County, Florida, the most important podcast on the internet. Ladies and gentlemen, Denovo Realty Radio.
Hi guys, this is Flavia Barrial, Denovo Realty, and I'm here with a dear friend, Lory Milton.
Hi everybody, I'm Lory Milton. I'm a commercial lender with Marine Bank and Trust. We're located in Melbourne off of Century Boulevard. Thank you for having me.
Of course, I'm excited.
Yes,
I'm excited
me too.
to be talking to you about this. I didn't even know like so many of your products that you can offer, especially to real estate investors. So we are seeing a lot of traffic and a lot of real estate investors looking for houses that they want to buy and hold to rent it or flip or anything like this. You know, the market is so good right now. Brevard County is booming. We have no houses out there, and that's always a need. So she has products to offer to this type of investors. So Lory, tell me a little bit of what you do regarding the investment properties.
Sure. So we're one of the few banks, being a community bank, we're able to offer the investment real estate product. So I've had a lot of luck with investors picking up properties, maybe doing a little bit of rehab to them, and then just financing them, buying and hold situation, and then finding a renter, and just having building a nice little portfolio of investment income to kind of
awesome
buy and hold.
Making money.
Yes, it can be good.
Okay, yes. Now, question. I know that if, let's say, some of these investors have an LLC or a corp. So can they buy in the name of the company?
Yes,
okay.
They definitely can. And it's, unlimited as long as the cash flow is there. We're in the business of doing good loans. So,
okay. So they can have as many houses as they want if they buy on the name of the LLC,
yes,
right? Because there's a difference you were telling me before. So if you buy... So tell me about that.
So residential is a little bit different. Sometimes you'll have an individual that wants to buy an investment house and hold it in their name. So the guidelines are a little bit different on residential. You cap out at about 10 homes. Okay. Whereas commercial, we have a little bit more flexibility where you can buy multifamily, residential homes and kind of just put them all in one pot and just have a nice portfolio of investment.
So what you're saying is if you have an LLC, you can buy as many properties as you want. Commercial, multifamily, duplexes, triplexes, and all that.
Yeah.
And put a renter in there, right?
Yes. We like to see rental income.
Okay.
And then
if you are buying in your own name, you can only have 9 investment properties because probably you already have
because you would have your primary residence in there. Yes.
All right, that's interesting. Yeah. And how much money do you need down?
For investment, so we like to see at least 25%, and then you want to build in maybe a little bit of a buffer there for any improvements that you might have if you're not going to look at financing them, and then you have closing costs and all that kind of stuff. Well, that's
pretty much that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome because I work with a lot of investors and they ask me sometimes, and I always think especially if the house needs rehab, some. It's cash. So sometimes they don't want to, touch all their cash. So that's a possibility.
Yes.
And interest rates is, I know, we cannot say exactly because interest rate, changes every day, but it's a little bit higher than doing a primary residency.
There is a difference. We're very competitive, so I feel like interest rates are good right now. But there is a difference between residential and commercial, and every case is different. So, what I like to do is gather a package from a client, talk through what their needs are, what they're doing, what the project looks like, and then we get into what rates look like because every day is different. You never know. So.
Yes. And every situation is so unique too.
Yes, but we try to be competitive.
So how about if they want to buy a commercial building? There's some commercial buildings that has a lot of stores and everything, a plaza. You can do that too.
Yes, absolutely. So we would finance owner occupied and investment real estate. So we've done strip centers, owner-occupied doctors' offices, things like that, office condos. So, you know,
Cool.
yeah. We try to
Awesome.
tailor our products to meet your needs. So we really don't turn anything away until we've had a chance to really look at it and see what the client, what their vision is. And then we try to create something that works for them.
Okay, and then do they need I know that on the residential side, primary residency, you need 640 credit score right now with this COVID going on. Some banks are doing 580. Do you have a credit score that you say, oh, is this much, not under that, or no, it's different?
The difference between us and like a traditional bank is we kind of look at every situation as a story. It's a puzzle. You're putting the pieces together. So you're going to tell me your story. You know, if there's been a hiccup in the past with credit, if we can get past that and understand why something happened or why things are the way they are, you know, we try to get to the bottom of everything and make it work. So I wouldn't rule anything out until we look at it.
Good. So tell me a little bit about your bank.
Sure.
Are you guys, I know that you're local and a smaller bank, but not a new bank.
No, we were actually founded in 1997 out of Vero Beach, so that's our headquarters, which is awesome because all our management and decision makers are located right there. So it's very, very quick to talk to somebody, you know, to talk through a deal. We have one location in Brevard, so we're located off of Wickham and Century Boulevard. We have a location in Sebastian, 2 in Vero Beach, and then we have a loan production office in Port St. Lucie. So we're expanding, and it's exciting.
Yes, and you're doing so great.
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
You're doing amazing.
A great
I
group.
saw a magazine with you another day and all this. I'm like, woo!
Yes.
You go, girl.
I'm very blessed, as are you. So.
Good, great.
But yeah, I mean, we're looking for, you know, all kinds of great loans. So if you know someone that needs a lot loan, you know, something on the commercial side, owner-occupied, investor, single-family residence, you know, doctor loans, we're kind of a one-stop shop. So
Awesome.
if you just want to bounce ideas off of me,
Awesome.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for coming and talking to me.
It's always good to see you.
Yes, thank you. Good to see you too. So, you know, I always like to finish saying that I like to bring to the table new things or new ways of doing, you know, a loan like with Lory. And if you're an investor or if you're looking to start buying investment properties, just let us know. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now go!